Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW X3 hood. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever. This is typically located on the driver's side, down near the footwell. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a click, and the hood will pop up just a little bit. This indicates that the first latch has been successfully disengaged, and you're ready for the next step. Now that the hood is slightly ajar, you'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is usually found right under the front edge of the hood, often near the BMW emblem. Gently lift the hood a few inches and feel around for a small lever or tab. Push or pull this lever, and the hood should fully release. You can then lift it up completely until it's open. With the hood fully open, it's time to secure it. Look for the hood support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip it, and then find the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. Carefully insert the end of the rod into this opening. Make sure the hood feels stable and is securely propped open before you start working under it. Safety first. When you're finished, carefully remove the support rod and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from closing completely. Don't just drop it. Finally, press down firmly on the hood, usually in the center or near the latches, until you hear two distinct clicks. This ensures both latches are engaged and the hood is securely closed. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.